This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below. She's a leaker. That's an outside faucet in the garage. I'm going to cut that piece out. Just took that panel off of there to find it. If I can cut that piece out. Looks like it's been patched a few times. It's not the first patch. Not its first rodeo. Definitely not its first rodeo. We'll patch this and then we'll turn the water on, see if it leaks. It's been patched before, looks like. It don't look like the stuff up top is wet, so I think it was just here. She's a leaker, mama. She's a leaker. This thing looks like it's frozen a bunch of times, I bet you. It'll freeze again next year. Alright, so I got a regular coupling, then I got a slip coupling. It's got no stops. Slip coupling's got no stops. Slip or repair. I'll show you why I need it. Alright, so I'll put the regular coupling down the bottom there. And I'll put the repair coupling. Put the repair coupling up top. Yeah, I found the leak.
Yeah.
You just have to patch it, put it together, and solder it up.
Yeah. Pipe bursted during winter time.
Right here. See it?
Oh wow. Oh shit.
So we'll fix that leak and then we'll turn it on and see if it leaks anywhere else.
Right, right. Wow, that's crazy. How it flip a pipe open like that, huh?
Where's Glenn? Oh yeah, that's common. Where's Glenn?
Alaska.
Huh?
It's in Alaska.
Oh, okay, yeah, the vacation he went to.
Yeah.
How you guys holding out without him?
Yeah, it's a little hectic.
Quiet. Yeah, he did say he was going to Alaska, so. Alright, we'll give it a minute and turn on the water and see if it leaks. It runs up across, all the way over, and then down. Well, that was an easy one. I'll put that insulation back, put the board back, and we'll be done. Alright, I got the sheetrock back together. That was a relatively easy one. You can see they've done patches on it before this. You can see a couple of spots where he did patches on it, but he's a towing company. He needs to be able to wash his trucks. A lot of tow trucks. A lot of tow trucks out there. Look at what it is! It's the baby dog! The little baby's gonna do a little doggy dance! Oh, yeah! They're doing a little doggy dance? Let's see it do it! Oh, there it is! There's the dance! There's the dance! There's my doggy dance! Oh, yeah! That's my buddy, man. She's a proud master HVAC technician, she is. Proudly wearing the patches, mama. Oh, yeah. What is that? Huh? Doing a little dance? Doing a little doggy dance? You're gonna tip it. You're gonna tip it, man. You're gonna tip it. You're gonna tip it. Come on. Let's go. Push over. There it is. She is. Let her rip. Potato chip, man. Oh, yeah. Let her rip, man. Let her rip. Push over. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. It's the baby dog, man. She's neck level. Oh, yeah, she's neck level. She's got a little tongue action happening. Let's see the little tongue action. Oh, yeah, she's got the little tongue action. She's a proud master HVAC technician, she is. Oh, mama. She's a proud master.